No, listen. It's been quite a while. Me who watch it. You see that? Also, bra. Maybe. I didn't see now. Me feel you don't see one man. You to me go outside the cotton see you.
Keke the Alma.
Jeff Cree.
Ha. And that year, bro. More question, you. But before question, I was saying, "Mama, I say me see. I say me see what town. Why ready?
Sure.
Girl be. And I want the boy fear or say, or do the boy fear no now for the first time. Not she in the fridge, me she open in the fridge mo. It's in the boy full like she left the girl. Now you know she left the guy. Now you know one date the guy again. So of nothing there in fridge inside. Water safe, pure water safe, nothing there inside. So if it be you, what do you think?
You mean the girl left the guy?
Yeah, or a guy no. So we need to. Or so we broke. We need to.
I didn't talk for more than a CF number. CF, I didn't talk for number. So more than the MY full right. Say bibia won't be. So I didn't talk see more than a CF number.
No, I don't show any fridge back you.
Auto fridge so be a coaster and I said.
I don't say. On no call boy any fear, boy any issue of fridge in.
So was she coming to Grook or something? Or be she be a Janya and I said.
Would you go to if you go to your girlfriend's house and you don't see anything inside there?
That is normal because I didn't go there to go and Grook, like to go and.
It's all about you only there. It's about you only there.
See,
girl about you only there.
You better go to pastries near you now.
Pastries near there. No. But to pastries near Belkura. Oh. That's all there will be behind Belkula.
Oh no. Oh, you people if you stop that. No Belkula.
Okay, until better then. Because about you say she need to a jaw. Obeka ko pan cho no aka yen so mbra bi ma na say den.
Me ko me ye bi da.
It's bad then.
Me ko pan it.
That girl ne best one stock fridge no.
No. I asked you to come over. I didn't ask you to come and have a look over the fridge.
It's all about fear then.
Oh. Just come over. You vibe like what's up? Like no, listen. It's been quite a while. Me who watch it. You see that? Also, bra. Maybe I didn't see now. Me feel you don't see one man. You to me go outside the cotton see you.
It's over channel abano and so I cotton so no.
Kind of.
No better there in pure water and bottle water.
Won't say then time those. Answer the question. Those were in the don't say. Omudi some rubber white rubber be on almost sans you gum na omuchichi you got koto sans you ni bi
that one we are not going to tolerate at all I've said
on top your water
no
now you say girls from balance in bottle water no mono
bottle water now the bottle water what actually makes it unique like is it because of the bottle or what like bottle water when your papa
it's water and bottle water and here now to me to 25 to turn on man
I'm saving the money for marriage and answer visa.
But marriage no crowd do now
no so calm down
papa to pastries drink what the fine said drink I'm with you so I so fi what area Accra no fi asaman kese no oba we be do no obe man pastries
so make sure so be nu sure come so now they want to come on nu sure ubenya nsi outside right
it's last side pastries on like on tra angwa mo po ye man
angwa mo you don't know Charlie angwa kra unya bi nam de anu amona ama ye ni nsi nko a edu nsi na eba nu amona ro
can't you see
it's again no be dem ofie
and some because onya so ba pra ye hu ye wan ache so just hi
it's what for a sleepover
sleepover
obe dam ade ache and also obe treating say
well as you guys have been saying, I'll just get a Belcola and then
for breakfast. Breakfast.
throughout the day. Throughout the day.
When that's so ya no pa ni breakfast e bia nka o be boka tea kakra salad kakra ni
then kakra.
Baked beans ne egg kakra. Now I am no. Now the amano.
Me go to big beans ni egg
ni egg ni salad no wa chichi on kakra.
Na me sorry my baby kra mama. Ha. They don't cause us ya chemi.
It's breakfast on the day.
Ya boka.
Charlie. Koto be kula bi ma no anu no. That is all. Even though say tea crown na opea, I just get you non-dairy bi and no anu no.
Ya boka.
Hey.
It's non-dairy, Charlie.
Non-dairy.
Listen, who call boy one, make sure say we did. Make sure say we phone no.
Nti ofi asa man kese yam fan say 3 hours no be do okwan mu a. We didi anopa de da we ba be do 3 hours time on didi biem.
Aden omo mutun adwan okwan so very day na oba na obi an in roadside.
God have mercy upon us.
That's why you're single.
I'm not single. Hey,
guys, thank you all for joining us on Drag Convo.
I'm not single.
Now, I'm not single.
I'm
not single. On top of the November.
I have a question. Is that what you do for your girlfriend?
My girlfriend. No. She knows that I'm a sweet boy.
Hey!
She knows that I'm a
guys,
sweet boy.
thank you all for joining us on Drag Convo. This is KK the Elma and I'm Jeff Cray. Thank you all. Bye.